Animal Omega, the complete essential fatty acid supplement pack for athletes. Animal Omega is packed with 10 different sources of omegas, with a variety of pre-dosed EPA, DHA, GLA, and CLA profiles. Pair with an absorption complex to help maximize each daily pack. EFAs have been shown to support cardiovascular and lipid health, fat reduction, prostaglandin function, cellular membrane repair, metabolism, healthy hormone balance, immune system support, overall health and well-being. Keep inflammation down after an intense workout. Take Animal Omega daily with any meal to easily add high-quality, essential fatty acids and omegas to your diet. Animal Omega, the essential EFA stack.
BP Muscle ตัวแทนนำเข้าและจัดจำหน่ายผลิตภัณฑ์อาหารเสริมแบรนด์ Animal และ Universal รวมไปถึงอุปกรณ์ฟิตเนสแบรนด์ Grizzly อย่างเป็นทางการแต่เพียงผู้เดียว